Harvesting here at the USA Dragon Fruit Factory requires precision. Each fruit is carefully inspected before being placed in the crates.
Scan complete on this.
Yes, approved for shipment.
The ratio is fluctuating again. Check the flow rate on unit 3.
Adjusted the catalyst feed. It's stabilizing now, well within parameters.
Ratios are fluctuating on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Stable.
The color analysis here indicates optimal ripeness.
Agreed. The structural integrity scan also looks good.
All right, team, pallet 5 to truck 3. Let's keep this moving. We've got another shipment right behind it.
Check this one, it has a bruise on the side.
Yeah, that won't pass inspection. Put it in the reject pile.
This batch looks good.
Okay, noted. We need to adjust the sorting mechanism here, and the weight tolerance is slightly off.
I see it. I'll recalibrate it immediately.
The color saturation here is excellent. Does the data match the visual assessment?
Yes, the algorithm confirms peak maturity. We can schedule the harvest.